Creating income online with zero budget requires a strategic approach that leverages available resources and innovative techniques. By implementing a zero-based budgeting method, individuals can allocate their income to various categories, ensuring that every dollar has a purpose, including both spending and saving. This approach empowers individuals to make the most of their income and prioritize their financial goals effectively. Utilizing tools and methods such as irregular income budget planning forms, money tracking apps, and investment calculators can aid in managing and optimizing online income without the need for substantial initial investment. Additionally, understanding the principles of zero-based budgeting and its application to online income can provide individuals with a structured framework for financial management and growth. By embracing a zero-based budgeting approach, individuals can strategically allocate their online income to different categories, ensuring that every dollar is accounted for and contributes to their financial well-being. This method enables individuals to make informed decisions about their spending, savings, and investments, ultimately maximizing their online income without requiring a significant initial budget. To get how to create a passive income with zero budget, click on the link in the description. Enjoying the content? Consider subscribing to join our community and stay updated with our latest videos. Your support helps us continue creating great content for you.